Hello students. So now today we will study about the social networking. So in the present scenario, due to hectic schedules, means due to so busy schedules, hectic means busy schedules, people hardly get enough time to socialize with friends and relatives. Yes, we are in today's uh, age is in today's scenario, everyone is so much busy that they have not yet have the enough time to talk with their friends or families or relatives. So the social networking websites are the solution to this problem. So social networking is the grouping of the individuals into a specific group and who share the common interests or activities. Now, for the social website, you create a group like the WhatsApp group you create. In that, you have added your own all friends, and after getting some time after study or maybe after work, so you are busy in chatting or talking with your friends. So one is posting something, others are passing comment on the your post. So all these are the social interaction on the social networking websites. So these social networking websites help people establish social relationship and function like an online community of internet users. So these social networking websites help to establish nowadays they are creating a social relationship with the help of the social websites on the Facebook or on the WhatsApp on the Instagram. So in the social networking websites, every user has a profile, yes, which contains information about them. So on you can see the profiles of every users, their name, from where they belong, what are their hobbies, or they are writing in their profile, what are they doing at present, where they are, or they are mentioning in the profile, where they can share the photos, message and videos in your profile. You can share the photos, any messages, any videos also. They have the facility of inviting other people to join these websites. Yes, you can send the friend request also, other persons also, whom you are knowing, whom maybe you are in contact, you can send the request to be added in your group. Okay. Now, the social networking website is widely supported by all the web browsers. So video is stored in the MPEG format, have the extension .mpg or .mpeg. So the audio video interleave AVI format was developed by the Microsoft, and the video stored in AVI format have the extension .avi. The Windows Media format was also developed by the Microsoft. So Microsoft developed two formats, AVI format and the Windows Media format. So video stored in the Windows Media format have the extension .wmv, that is the Windows Media format. Now multimedia elements. So the multimedia comprises of several elements including text. Multimedia contains text also, graphics also, sound also, video and animation. Now we learn the significance of each of the multimedia element about the text. Now see what is the text. Text is perhaps the most fundamental element of any multimedia project. So any multimedia project you are creating, in that definitely you will add some text. So we can use the applications to compose and edit the text. Several applications we are using to compose and edit the text. Many editors we are using to write the text. Now text-based information can also be gathered from CDs and in the internet. Applications such as Photoshop can be used to add visual effects to the text. With the help of the Photoshop, you can add visual effect to the text in order to create an appealing presentation. So good text, 3D text you can create to give the appealing presentation, to make the presentation very attractive. Next is the graphics. Graphics can also be added into the multimedia project in the form of the photographs or design. So graphic image can be imported from a variety of resources. From where you will get the graphic image. There are also so many resources over the internet, such as the internet. From the internet you can get from the digital camera, from the scanner or the source such as CD or such as Art Mania 12,000. All these are the sources from where you can get the graphics. Original graphic designs can be created with the application. So original graphic designs also you can create with the help of the application software Hyper Studio, Movie Maker and the Photoshop. Next is the sound. Multimedia object sound. Sound can be added into a multimedia presentation from a variety of sources. So there are also so many sources from where you can extract the sound, where you can from where you can import the sound. Original sounds can be recorded using a microphone along with a special program such as the software for recording the sound is Hyper Studio, Movie Maker, or Smart Sound. Now these applications as well as QuickTime Pro can also be used to import sound from an audio CD or the internet. From any CD or internet you can import the sound with the help of the QuickTime Pro. Next is the video. So moving images or video can be incorporated into a multimedia project in the form of QuickTime movies. That is the QuickTime Pro, from where you can add the moving images or video to your project with the help of the QuickTime Pro. Hyper Studio and Movie Maker can be used with a cam recorder, it is called the camcorder or VCR, to create and edit the QuickTime movies. The programs, these programs can also import movies from the internet also. And from resource like from the CD also you can import the video. Movies that can depict a 360-degree panorama or this is the 3D film or a movable object can also be incorporated into a multimedia project. You can add it. Next, another multimedia element is the animation. How we add the animation on the project, multimedia project. So graphics that contain the movement are often referred to as animation. If you add any movement on the text, uh, that it will come from the left corner of this window or right corner of the window. So there are so many animation effects are there, as you can see in the Microsoft PowerPoint. So animations file can be downloaded from the internet in the form of the animated GIF files, and also view with the help of the QuickTime Pro, Hyper Studio, and Movie Maker. You can see the this animation files. So Hyper Studio and Movie Maker can also be used to create and edit both frame and path in animation. So with the help of the Hyper Studio and Movie Maker, you can create the animation. You can edit both the frame also and how the frame will display on the screen. That is the path animation. Also, you can set with the help of the this Movie Maker, Windows Movie Maker that is called. Okay. So this we have left. I think so. So we have skipped one page. Social networking. In addition, user profiles often have selected. Okay. So we have skipped this part, user profile. So when have a section dedicated to the comments from friends and other users. Difference between the data and information. After page number 113, we started multimedia. Multimedia elements we have started. Okay. So this is all for the today students. So in the next class, we will study the topic this social networking websites. That's Facebook, about the Facebook, Twitter, and other social networking applications, Instagram, LinkedIn, and Reddit. Okay. So this is all for today. Thank you for your kind attention.